Shuddha Vijnanam Agada Sukham Vishasha Bijam Purna Payogi Anadyanandam Pragitai Parasma Tatamekam Ramakrishna. Salutation to the holy trios sitting in our front and blessing us. Salutation to most revered President Swami Girishananda Maharaj. My pranams to all the elders and senior monks. My love and wishes to the devotees, admirers present here today. We are very, very fortunate to be present here and celebrate the 125th anniversary of the foundation of the Ramakrishna Mission. All of you must have heard that Ramakrishna Mission, how it had been established and how Swamiji had infused the main spirit of the Ramakrishna Mission in front of the brother disciples present that time, and immediately it has been implemented into action, and all other people, devotees, they also sympathized for the great cause. Sri Ramakrishna came not only for japa, meditation, prayer and devotion, but also how to practicalize our spiritual life, the development of our inner outward life, living that our day-to-day life. So we must be convinced about that. As Sri Ramakrishna, we call him an avatar, an incarnation. From the lessons of history from earlier ages, we know avatar came in ages and after ages, and to preach unto humanity the spirituality, the process of getting God realization and moksha, and in an introspective way it had been established by their disciples and after disciples, generations and together. Here, there is a novelty that Sri Ramakrishna came not only for that particular purpose, that is the path of God realization, but also how to implement that path into our day-to-day life so that we can get divinity, we can acquire divinity. Swamiji told himself that I shall inspire men everywhere until the world shall know that it is one with God. Why Swamiji inspired in that way? He went round and round and find out what is the condition of the general masses, not only in India but other parts of the country. General masses, there is no particular initiative to follow the path of religion and spirituality. There is a huge diversion, and then there so many paths are there, and so many people are always struggling within themselves in their different opinions. Not only that, there is a confusion that we do not follow, that human being is always have the divine spirit, we forget it. And so that is the reason the regeneration is required for the whole world. So Sri Ramakrishna is a world builder, and Swami Vivekananda is the pathfinder. How is the path? What is the path? There is huge confusion after confusion. And in India itself, should we leave the path of religion and take the path of secular development, all this confusion comes one after another. And then this confusion is to be cleared by somebody who is a pathfinder in this path of religion and spirituality. This is to be inculcated first in India, not only in India, but other parts of the world also. People are to be inspired. And for this, Swamiji himself wanted first these experiments to be started with his Guru Bhai's brother disciples. He came Belur Mott and sent his brother disciples. One Swami had been sent to Chennai, Madras. That is, you know the history of Chennai. That Swami had been sent and he started the work there. Swamiji wanted that you must do service to the developed, undeveloped, backward people by giving them seva, service. Service means lifting them from in their healthy condition, in the unhealthy condition to the healthy condition. So all these are work. Backward and uneducated people, you have given them education. So these are the three things, main three aspects. Educational development and at the same time health development. At the same time, the two things, education and health, must go hand in hand. Along with that, mental development and psychological development. And above that is the spiritual development. So, this all-comprehensive scheme Swamiji wanted for India, and he taught the world. Those who are refuting the spiritual values in their life, for them he had established, and we see in his stotra, Sthapokaya cha dharmasya, dharmasya sthapak, that is establishing dharma. Sthapana had been done in earlier days. Sri Rama had established dharma sthapana, Sri Krishna had established dharma sthapana. But those days are gone. Now we have to find out in this modern time how to establish the dharma, the religion that can be acceptable to whole of humanity in different spheres of life. Varieties of types of questions are asked, and you see this humanity, the common mass of people, they can get answer from Sri Ramakrishna's life and message. What is that? Jiva is Shiva. That is what you are telling about your spirituality and other things. We also accept that yes, you are correct, but we know that how to help yourselves by different ways. So you develop yourself, inculcate the spirit. At the same time, you develop the backward people. So this is called Atmano Mokshartham Jagat. Other people, our sannyasis in Uttarakhand, they told, no, it cannot be. There cannot be any Jnana Karma Samuchaya. It is a debate, after debate are going. The sadhus who are going to those places for doing service, they were simply hated. What for you have become sannyasis? To all this menial type of service are you meant for? You ought to concentrate only on the Lord. And this is the path in our ancient times by Vedas and Vedantas, where it has been told that you are to give service to the poor and backward. This is Vedanta practicalized, and Swamiji established that our Indian culture, our Indian religion, our Indian spirituality, in every pinpoint, it had been told that human being is God. To elevate human being, you are to elevate his physical side, his mental side, his spiritual side. All sides are to be developed. Then it is a total development. We want the total development, not a partial. So Swamiji wanted that. And why the whole world will accept it? We do not understand that people will be so easy that when he will tell these truths, people will take up and they will say, yes, Swamiji, we accept your views. So big contradictions has been raised up. But Swami Vivekananda's words and spirit, it is so much invigorating to all the people at large. And they understand, after a lot of discussions and debates and persuasions, they understand, yes, we can follow your message and spirit. Until and unless there is spiritual development, there cannot be any material development. This must go hand in hand. So, Shivo Gyan is Jivo Seva. The Shivo Gyan is spiritual development and Jivo Seva is material development. So these two have been combined, and Swamiji wanted that the new India, that will be an icon. It will show to the world that how to develop this harmonious way, the India spirit, what is there in India's culture. It is to be understood by all the people. In course of time, slowly what we see, we have got our independence. So many development programs have been taken over. Have we forgotten our metaphysical thoughts? No. There are people, lot of people, who value the metaphysical research, metaphysical thoughts. At the same time, various development projects in different fields also have been acquired by the new country, new India, pre-India. Anyhow, it is a blessings of Sri Ramakrishna. And Sri Ramachandra came, Sri Krishna came, Buddha came. This particular aspect had never been stressed so much. It is only in this new age Sri Ramakrishna came and told Swamiji that you are to do that. You are ordained for that. And Swamiji told, I cannot do. Your very bone will do for hard Guru. And Swamiji saw that, yes, he is the duty of his Guru, that is no other way running out of that. And all powers have come from the Mother. All power came from the Holy Mother. And slowly, slowly, we see the development of 125 years. What we were 125 years before and what we are now at present, and at the same time in the middle, how we are. Our cycle of action is slowly getting speed, is going on and on and on. So this is our record. We see that how Sri Ramakrishna's blessings and Swami Vivekananda's words and Holy Mother's power is working within these 120 people of their universe. So thank you all the persons here present, the guests and devotees all present. Thank you.